Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, you remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have. Then just insert the one part of the brush. I need to identify my door. Okay, I have it here. So insert the one part of the brush to the connector. So on the one part, take the door out. Okay, that's it. As you can see, toothbrush is a very simple but really great tool to clean your connectors, to clean difficult places because it's soft and it's plastic. I don't know, you can't damage your device using soft plastic, and in this way you can easily and safely clean your connectors and other electric devices. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.